KWIKOT ATW Heat Pump LinkWarm Series, multiple anti-freezing protection. Large screen display. Choose from 2 indoor unit options for your specific needs. Auto heat to raise temp and kill harmful bacteria. Uses the R290 natural refrigerant. Harmless to the ozone layer. A variety of control modes available. One system for all comfort needs. Heating, cooling, domestic hot water. High-efficiency DC electric motor. Full inverter technology ensure reliable performance and energy savings. There are more options to choose from.